There is a quiet deadline on 30 June 2026 that catches thousands of Australians off guard every single year. The concessional super contributions cap is $30,000 for 2025 to 26, according to the ATO, but many people can legally contribute even more and miss the chance because they never checked. As we head toward 30th June, this is the moment that matters for carry-forward contributions. The ATO confirms that eligible Australians can stack unused concessional cap from earlier years on top of the standard $30,000 cap, but only if the money lands in your fund before the financial year ends. Here is why this is urgent rather than just nice to know. According to the ATO, unused concessional cap amounts only carry forward for 5 years and then they expire permanently. So a year you skip today could quietly cost you the chance to contribute more later, when you might actually have the cash to do it. This hits a very specific group hardest. The ATO says you can only use carry forward amounts if your total super balance was under $500,000 at $30 June of the previous year, and the unused amounts only last 5 years. That tends to be mid-career earners who have not been maxing out their cap every year. The single number to remember is $500,000. The ATO requires your total super balance to be below that threshold at 30 June of the previous financial year before you can tap any carry forward amounts at all. Here is the detail buried in the rules. The ATO points out that employer super guarantee contributions for the quarter ending the 30 June can legally be paid as late as 28th July, which is in the next financial year. So if you leave your salary sacrifice or personal contribution too late, the money may simply not be received in time to count this year. 3 moves and you can start the first one today. Log into MyGov, open the linked ATO service and find the Carry Forward Concessional Contribution screen to see your unused amount. Then confirm your balance was under $500,000 at the prior 30 June and arrange any contribution so your fund actually receives the money before 30 June, not just before you hit send. Mark it now. The money has to be received by a fund by 30 June, not merely sent on the last day. The ATO timing rules mean late contributions can land in the next financial year, so give yourself a buffer of several business days. Looking ahead, this is not a once and done check. The ATO record in MyGov changes every year as the oldest unused amounts roll off and expire, so the carry forward room you see now may be smaller next June. A quick annual check keeps you from leaving money on the table. If deadlines like this one tend to sneak past you, subscribe, and we will keep you across every super and tax change that affects your money. We break it down in plain English, in time to actually act, not after the window is closed.